Hello everyone, in this 1-minute Power BI video we will learn how to make a decomposition tree visual. We will make a visual which will look like this. Step 1, select the decomposition tree icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. For the decomposition tree, we want to analyze revenue for various states, so we will select revenue, drag and drop it to analyze field. Next, select state, drag and drop state data to explain by field. Click on the plus sign next to revenue to expand the revenue data to states. This will give us the option to display state with high value, state with low value, or all states. I will select the high value, hence New York is highlighted with the dotted blue line. You can also flip from high value to low. Thank you, please subscribe to the channel. And check out other basic and advanced level Power BI videos.